Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're gonna check out this Milwaukee press and flip. It's the Fastback 6-in-1 folding utility knife. So obviously it tells you exactly what it has: the bottle opener, the knife, everything that it has. So I've tried this one already a couple times, and I already see something that's already a defect, I guess you could say, on there. So there's a little ring inside that makes the bit hold in place right there, and just by pulling it out, it got stuck. So it wouldn't let me put the bit all the way in the way it's supposed to be. I don't know if you see it right there. It's already came out, and it won't. A flathead won't let it go in at all because the ring came out. So that's the downside that I see with it. Obviously, if you bought it to put piece of bit in there, it's not holding the bit inside because of the little ring. Overall, the rest it's okay. Close it like this, but obviously with the bit not being able to grab there, it's not even worth it. I believe it was about 12 bucks online. Sorry, at Home Depot. It does have the Fastback. It works for a Fastback. It's not that great, but it works. Like I said before, it depends on what blade you use, depending on how good your tool is gonna work. Don't buy the cheap blades. But like I said, unfortunately, just this one right here, this little ring that screwed it all up, it's the reason why it's not the greatest tool now. I mean, it's okay for a utility knife, but that's the piece that makes it fail, I believe. It's not something I would buy again. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.